Hello realme fans, I'm Olaf from TÜV Rheinland. It's an honor to endorse what we believe is a new benchmark in mobile power innovation. When realme approached us with the P4 Power, we put its groundbreaking 10,001 mAh Titan battery through our most rigorous tests. The result? It became the world's first 10,000 mAh plus smartphone battery to earn TÜV Rheinland's prestigious 5-star comprehensive certification, covering performance, safety and durability. Our test confirmed exceptional safety and performance under extreme conditions. The battery underwent performance evaluation from -20° to 60° and safety testing from -10° to 55° and passed overcharge, short circuit and crash tests with zero swelling or combustion risks, thanks to its innovative 5-layer safety architecture. Beyond the safety, in our ongoing long-term durability assessment, the battery has already completed 300 cycles with strong stability, supporting a projected lifespan of over 8 years, while maintaining high capacity retention. That means multiple day usage for gaming, streaming or navigation without frequent replacements. Thank you for your attention. We at TÜV Rheinland are proud to stand behind a product that truly pushes the boundary of what's possible in mobile power technology.